Quantum entanglement is a non-local phenomenon in which two particles influence each other irrespective of their physical separation. Quantum entanglement is against some of our common intuitions and perceptions about the world. In spite of the several experiments to analyze it, entanglement remains as an enigma and is expected as a key to a breakthrough. You are most welcome to subscribe to this channel. You will receive videos on advanced topics in physics regularly. Quantum entanglement is one of the many mind-boggling features of quantum physics. It is a very fascinating as well as interesting phenomenon. As entangled particles remain influential each other, the actions performed on one affect the other within no time or practically instantaneously even when separated by great distances. But please do remember, quantum entanglement does not enable the transmission of classical information faster than the speed of light. This point will be explained later. Quantum entanglement has applications in emerging technologies of quantum computing, quantum cryptography, and quantum teleportation. Now you would raise a question. Is there any experimental verification for quantum entanglement? Yes, it has been verified experimentally. A laser beam fired through a certain type of crystal can cause individual photons to be split into pairs of entangled photons. The photons can be separated by a large distance, hundreds of miles or even more. When observed, one of the photons, say A, it takes on an up spin state. Entangled photon, say B, though now far away, takes up a state relative to that of photon A, in this case a down spin state. The transfer of state between photon A and photon B takes place practically instantaneously. It is at a speed of at least 10,000 times the speed of light. According to recent reports, one photon of an entangled pair was sent to an orbiting satellite station at distances varying from 500 to 2000 kilometers. Another relevant question is, does the entanglement challenge the theory of relativity? One of the most hard and fast rules of physics is that no object can travel faster than the speed of light. Does the entanglement violate this principle, which is one of the postulates of special theory of relativity proposed by Einstein? Apparently it violates, but actually no. In fact, what Einstein meant is, no object can be accelerated from rest to speeds greater than that of light. So entanglement is not coming under the postulate of the theory of relativity. John S. Bell had shown that entanglement should be genuinely physically non-local. Entanglement may connect particles irrespective of where they are, what they are, and what forces they may exert on one another. Even an electron and a neutron on opposite sides of a galaxy can be entangled. Here we have to understand the concept of non-locality. Quantum entanglement is a non-local phenomenon. Spatial distance or separation is not an issue here. Entanglement appears to entail the spooky and the radical counterintuitive phenomenon called non-locality, the possibility of physically affecting something without touching it or without any influence of proximity. Non-locality implies that a fist in one city can break a nose in another city without affecting any other physical thing, a molecule of air or an electron in a wire. Please do remember that the fist is only an analogy. A simple explanation for quantum entanglement is that the particles in consideration have same wave function and their total spin will be zero. As they have the same wave function, they will be linked non-locally. As their total spin is zero, the change of spin in one particle will produce the opposite spin in the other. Relativity is a local phenomenon. Space and time are significant parameters in relativity. Non-locality is not yet fully understood, though quantum entanglement is verified experimentally. Unraveling the mystery of non-locality will be a breakthrough in physics. A few researchers think that there is quantum entanglement between consciousness and space-time. According to them, consciousness has certain non-local characteristics. These aspects will be discussed in another video. You are most welcome to subscribe to this channel. You will receive videos on advanced physics regularly.